Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious potato bread rolls at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of mashed potatoes, ensuring they are completely cooled. Also, prepare 4 cups of all-purpose flour and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Have 1 cup of warm milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt ready. Finally, melt 4 tablespoons of butter for later use in the dough. Now let's get our dough started. In a large bowl, combine the warm milk, sugar, and yeast, allowing it to bloom for about 5 minutes until foamy. Next, incorporate the cooled mashed potatoes, melted butter, and salt into this mixture. Gradually add the 4 cups of flour, mixing until a shaggy dough comes together. Then, turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. After kneading, it's time for the first rise. Place your dough in a lightly greased bowl, cover it with a clean cloth, and let it rest in a warm place for about 1 hour. The dough should beautifully double in size, indicating the yeast is active. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Then, divide the dough into 12 equal portions, each weighing approximately 2 ounces, and shape them into smooth, round rolls. For the final steps, arrange your shaped rolls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, ensuring a little space between each. Cover them again and let them undergo a second rise for 30 to 45 minutes until visibly puffy. While they rise, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the rolls for 15 to 20 minutes or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Serve them warm and enjoy your homemade potato rolls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.